everybody, somewhat girly here with another unboxing. We've got the bayonet out, so you know it's Stickii Club time. Let's see here. This is going to be the cute pack. I'm about ready to open this here. Just a little reminder that I am visually impaired and I use various implements, including my reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to see fine details. If I see something and I say it wrong, or if you see something that I missed, go ahead and throw it in the comments there. We're going to give this a little open see. This is the cute pack, which means that these stickers are usually extremely cute. Okay, let's see here. I don't have any spoilers for this. None at all. Alright, we got our theme sticker here. This is the one where you can put the sticker on the corner of the actual sticker folio you get if you want, or you can put it anywhere you want. Let's see here. We've got... Does that say Secret Life of Frogs? Does that say, oh, this is all frogs. I love frogs. Oh my goodness. Okay, so excited. So excited. Oh, look at those. Look at how cute those are. Oh, just, okay. Okay, breathe. Just breathe. Shh, shh, just breathe. Okay. In our pouch that has the flap, my voice goes back to normal. Looks like we've got another clear stamp in packaging. Okay, so one of these sheets will come off. The other one, the stamp is stuck to. Keep this to cover this. Oh. I'm so sorry. Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. And you know what? This is perfect because this every month, this one here doesn't have a cardboard back to it. We got a handful of sheets. There's the maker's mark on the back there. Hopefully that's in focus for you. Everything seems a little fuzzy for me today. I'm going to zoom in. Mushrooms! Oh, that's so cute. Let's get to the stickers. I'm so excited. I'm going to automatically zoom in so that way I and you could see them. Okay. That's a carrot. That's a tomato. Oh my god. Look at the face on the apple. Oh, they're fruits with faces. Here's who made them. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what do we got here? We have frogs with packages. Frogs and packages. Frogs with anything is just... It's too much. It's just... Oh, oh, frog and boba. There was a frog in the boba. Look at it in the package there. Oh, I hope nobody's like, you know, listening to this trying to get some ASMR out of it, because I am just like, I am uncontrollable. Is that like a fake Happy Meal with... Well, it could be one of their cake boxes too, but like I'm thinking Happy Meal. Oh, look at you. Look, whoever you are, you... Great work. Great work with these frogs. These are... What do we got? Oh, they're little yellow ones. I keep forgetting frogs come in other colors because I love the green ones so much. Oh. Like, I feel like if you have the sticker, you're gonna have to have the sticker next to it. Just because... Oh. Hey! Maybe this is the sticker from the stamp. Maybe. Yeah, there it is! Is that his little bug friend? Is that a bug friend? Look at this. Oh, here's the one from the notepad. There's a chunky boy and he doesn't fit in that, but I love it. It's like when you see a cat in a too small box. I love him so much. Oh my god, look at the tongue on that one. Definitely gonna write a good letter to my nephew. Here we go, the maker's mark. I'm gonna definitely follow this one for sure. Zoom in because it looks like there's words maybe with these. Still no good, but it's okay. Help. Does that say hashtag helping? Or just, oh, dumpling. Oh. We're just gonna zip through these. It's a frog in a box. Oh, love that. Love it. This guy's like, he's a chameleon, or he like just loves costumes. Presto, presto, changeo. Become a froggo. Oh my goodness. Oh, and just a plain. Oh, he's a watermelon. I am confusion. I am confusion. America. Here's the maker's mark. Oh my goodness, that's even cute. Oh, that's adorable. Ooh, oh, a second sheet? Is this the same person? Yes, it is. Oh my goodness, we got a second sheet. Oh, that's a long boy. That is a long boy. Does it say long boy? It does. That is. Oh, there's a bear. Just sitting on a bear. It's me after I don't want to sleep. Oh my god. Oh my good kid. Okay, definitely love the one with the duck. What is that? Is that an octopus? An octopus. Thanks. Oh look, it's on a. Oh, I'm sending that one to my sister. What does it say? You're the. You were you. Oh, you just be cool. Okay. I'm sending that one to my sister. She's gonna love it. Just be cool. Okay, this matches one of the other sheets, like the first one I looked at, because these look the same. These are like little, you could use them for like gifts, like write to and from on them if you want to, or they're about the size of like some planners where you could put them in like for the days of the week to write down something cool. I don't know what just happened. But these are nice. I love how thick they are. Last sheet. Last sheet. Last but not least. Okay, it's sparkly, so we're going to have to tilt it. Oh, look how sweet these are. Okay, frogs are adorable, but they also can be sweet. Is this the same one as that other one with the mushrooms? Or is this like a different one? They're cute. Oh, they're so cute. Looks like we got some like duplicates maybe. Okay, where's your makeup? I know there's a way I can turn this where it's not so sparkly. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's better. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, they're very springtimey. Very springtimey. So cute. We ran through that one pretty quick, didn't we? All right, let's zoom back out. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 sheets. I like the number. I love 8. Even numbers are great. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.